Hello, hola, Junela.
For Giving Tuesday, why do you think people should give to I Am We Are?
I Am We Are is an organization for youth, so it is helping youth to find themselves and to find where they belong.
I think we should give to I Am We Are because it is the organization that helps young people, that empowers young people, and in giving them you build a better foundation for the coming generations.
Organization is very unique in South Africa. This organization are very in need here in South Africa because many young people don't know what they want to do in life. Where are they seeing themselves in the coming years? So this organization has helped us to know who we are, where we want to go, and what do we want to achieve in life.
And we are helping young people to fight challenges they face in life, because we know most of challenges give up more easily without fighting their challenges. So if you are a young person, you should know how to fight the challenges, and they can find those solutions in I Am We Are.
As a people, you have to know the big word inside your heart is sharing is caring.
Please give to I Am We Are on Giving Tuesday.
Bye bye.